You are welcome to Abuja Podcast. We are bringing to you an update about Stadium 974, popularly known as Container Stadium. On 7th October 2022, workers began dismantling Qatar temporary Stadium 974 before it is rebuilt in Uruguay for World Cup 2030. The World Cup may just be reaching its business end, with 8 countries remaining, but one of the stadiums has already been dismantled. Crew got to work on taking apart the temporary Stadium 974 in the Ras Abu Abod area of Doha. The ground was built using 974 shipping containers. The workers wasted no time getting to work on relocating the venue. It hosted 7 matches for the World Cup. Inside, it held around 40,000 seats, officially pumped up by 4,809 after the tournament kicked off. But fans may get to take their seat in the ground again on the other side of the world. However, this is not expected to be the end of the story of the Stadium 974 or Container Stadium, because as reported by the Financial Times, the plan is to transport the shipping containers, presumably by boat, 8,000 miles to Uruguay. The South American nation planned to rebuild the stadium back to its original structure and host World Cup matches there in 2030.